yom from team Oba Mutual Borome City Service Commission. Record it tialo pay region kikene tialo ku Uganda loro. So mio one utiu kede chick kame kone chi yegi menwa yo dogge. So tichagino tiu oloko pirge. Mio kararang dugu gi nyim council tinino ngara tia kwero petie. So tiji come na momio nyingi tia duogo. Mekono medegini kede tich. Yeah.
But there also been better copy competition and new level petty ramo and all that. So the new financial year at your being okay, I don't join a quite budget in many staff gap with a big partners.
Pero me oti pe ya ibod ge. Pero me oti ya ibod gamente malo. Oti chwa wano tikere categories. Tikere ponye, tikere dahatale, tikere general administration staff. So kare woti neno chiena ngwa me gamento yeho. Bala mahalima bina nyim gamento ya kono umedo gino chara uponye. So ka umedo wando ti yuchora meneno ni umeda me rome wamedo welu ponye yape. Awuro macho ye memedi wa dahatale di dahatale nyena me wano yabo. Recruitment ria wura nyimi actually tipi duongere dahatale. Then Ober elevating to health center when Nyomorem came up, Punuloro came up. So me chani you driving recruitment me med well job metichikom dahatale. So gamente mi wachente in phases. Peo yabo awanchiel. So kachene tie then Service Commission can do their work.
No, in a brief line in English, what would you expect from these people in their 4 years service?
We pray that they keep the momentum. They did a good job, and now they've been given a new term. We pray that they exhibit the same diligence that they showed to work impartially, to do their work for the people of Uganda and particularly for Lira City.
But yeah, to be honest, what brought about some bit of resistance yesterday that this matter had to be pushed?
The first issue came when we had submitted another name for persons with disability. And the members of council said no, we need to reconsider, which we there and then agreed. But unfortunately for us, we don't know now, towards the end, the speaker ruled that this matter be again sent back to the executive committee because this executive committee that generates this name. So when you say send back, we've brought it back. And that is just proceed. For whatever reason, that's sent back, so we brought it. So even if it was sent back again today, we should still bring back. And the law allows, if I bring back 3 times, then it just goes without saying.
Did you smell anything related to conflict of interest in yesterday's?
Yes, something like that, but I don't want to diverge much in that area. For now, let us leave it the way it is.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.